Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can teleport to another place or another location in Heartopia game using the bus. Okay, first of all guys, you need to find a bus stop like this. And to make it easier to find the bus stop, you can open the map. Okay, and you just need to track the bus stop. Okay, this one, and also this one. And I'm going to go to the central square. Okay, and now I'm already at the bus stop, and then we can click on the bus, and you need to select the location that you want to visit. For instance, I'm going to go to the central square. Okay, and then I'm going to click on confirm. Sometimes it will need gold, it needs coins, but for going to the central town it's free. Okay, and I'm already at the central town. So if you want to move from one place to another place, you can use the bus, and it will consume your gold or your coins. Okay guys, and that's how you can teleport, or you can move to another place or location in Heartopia using the bus. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.